Here's how to record your voice on your Android phone. Now let's swipe up from here and you need to navigate to or search for the voice recording app. So all we need to do is tap on search and we can search for record and you can see there is the voice recording app. If you don't see that, all you need to do is hop into the Google Play Store. There are tons of really great voice recording apps that have lots of functionality. However, in this case, there is this one. So I'm just going to open up that one here. So here it is, the voice recording app. I'll show you how it works. All we need to do is tap on the little microphone here and it will start to record my voice. If I wanted to, I could tap on the pause and I could tap on the record again if I wanted to keep going. And now whenever I'm done, I can hit the little square to stop it. And I'm just gonna save this as my new voice recording. After I've done that, you can do a couple different things to it. Let's tap on where it says new here. And the cool thing is I can tap on the transcribe button and it will just transcribe the audio into text if you wanted to as well. You'll be able to see exactly what I say. Now I can hit the play button if I want to listen to it again. I can change the speed. I can repeat it, all of those things. However, you might want to go in there and then share it, maybe email it or save it to a secure folder. It's pretty easy to do that. All we need to do is tap on those three dots here and you can see I can rename it, move it to a secure folder, or I can even tap on the trash can icon and hit move to trash if I just didn't like that one and maybe I wanted to re-record it, or I just don't necessarily want it to be on my Android phone anymore.